Hello, and thank you for purchasing another premium Bestway product. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up and maintain your new splash and play pool. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual, and be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your pool. The most important step in setting up your pool is selecting a solid, level location. Be sure to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Referring to the printed user's manual, ensure all items are present in your package. Please note, Bestway sells many different product combinations. Not all the items covered in this video will apply to your product. To determine the accessories included with your pool, refer to the pool package. If your pool came with a ground cloth, spread it out over your selected location. Ensure there is adequate room for foot traffic around your selected location. Now, spread out the pool, ensuring it is centered on the ground cloth. Check that the inlet and outlet valves are positioned correctly for the filter pump and that a GFCI plug is accessible. Also, make sure the drain valve seal is securely fastened. To prevent water from escaping when filling the pool, insert the stopper plugs into the inlet and outlet valves. The following information is intended for pools equipped with 1,500-gallon filter pumps. To attach the connection valve, begin by screwing the strainer onto the strainer connector. From inside the pool, insert the assembled strainer into the pool's valve. Tighten the nut with the provided plastic wrench. Finally, hand tighten the valve body to the strainer. Make sure the valve is closed. Now, insert the top rails into the pool sleeves. With one inserted, attach another. Ensure the spring-loaded pins snap into position. Line up the holes in the sleeve with the holes on the rails. Using the C connectors, connect all the top rails together. The pool has started to take shape, and it's time to assemble the legs. Insert the U supports through the pole supports on the bottom of the pool. Connect the ends of the U supports into the exposed holes on the top rails. Complete one side before moving to the other side of the pool. You can begin to fill your pool. Once there is an inch of water in the pool, remove any wrinkles from the liner. Work from the center outwards to the pool walls. This is critical to ensure your pool will sit correctly and experience a long life. It's that easy. With the pool filled to 80% capacity, it's time to splash and play and let the summertime fun begin. For customers with pool packages containing Bestway pool accessories and a filter pump, continue to the next section. For customers without filter pumps, be advised swimming pool water must be maintained. We highly recommend you purchase a Bestway Flow Clear filter pump to keep pool water clean and extend your pool's lifespan. The following information is intended for 330, 530, and 800-gallon filter pump installation. Begin by inspecting that the filter cartridge is centered in the filter pump. Before closing the pump, check that the filter cap seal is in place. Attach the hoses to the filter and tighten the hose clamps. Now, connect the hoses to the pool. Make sure the hoses correspond to the letters A to A and B to B on both the filter pump and the pool. Reach inside and remove the stopper plugs. This allows water to follow to the filter pump. Save the stopper plugs for pool and pump maintenance. Place the debris screen into the pool's inlet and outlet valves. With the hoses and the debris screens in position, tighten the hose clamps. Please note, some Bestway pools come with fly nut hose clamps. For these, simply screw the fly nuts. Finally, unscrew the air purge and release any trapped air from the system. Your pump is ready to use. Simply plug it into any ground fault circuit interrupter. Warning: never run the filter pump when the pool is in use. Cleaning and maintaining your filter pump is recommended every 2 weeks. Begin by unplugging the filter pump. Next, replace the debris screens with the stopper plugs to prevent water flowing to the filter pump. Remove the filter cartridge and rinse it clean. It is recommended to replace filter cartridges every 2 weeks. Check your local retailer for Bestway replacement filters. Replace the filter cartridge, ensuring it is centered. Check that the filter cap seal is in place and close the filter pump. Next, replace the stopper plugs with the debris screens, which allow water to flow to the filter pump. Tighten the hose clamps. And finally, unscrew the air purge to release any trapped air from the system. The following information is for 1,500-gallon filter pump installation. Begin by inspecting that the filter cartridge is centered in the filter pump. Before closing the filter pump, check that the filter cap seal is in place. Now, attach the hoses to the pool and filter. Make sure each hose corresponds to the letters A to A and B to B on both the filter pump and the pool. Screw the threaded locking rings into position. Open the connection valve. Water now flows to the filter pump. Finally, unscrew the air purge valve and release any trapped air from the system. Your pump is ready for use. Simply plug it into any ground